Alright, good morning, y'all. This is day 2 of the Florida vlogs. Let's get at it.
Millions of people are about to experience the coldest Christmas of their life, as a historic cold front is about to send a large chunk of the country into a record-breaking deep freeze.
Welcome to day 2 of the Getting to Florida vlog. Let's get it.
On top of that, we have a huge storm forming, and it's going to intercept that cold air just in time for a Christmas time blizzard.
Well, we're currently, as you can tell, not in Florida. The biggest, I wouldn't say the biggest, but a pretty decent sized ice storm just hit. So let's see how the day goes. But yeah, let's go get some breakfast now because I am very hungry. Hey. Okay guys, we're gonna go find the big stinkers room right now. This room smells kind of stinky. Never mind, it's this room that smells stinky.
Oh, I can see you through the people.
You saw me?
Yeah, I was looking through the people.
I thought you couldn't see me. What's going on, big stinkers? Welcome to the Florida vlogs. You fell. All I see is the beep on the ground. I'm trying to pick him up. Okay, what's up guys? It's currently 9. We're all packed. As you can see, we're ready to go. Now we're gonna start driving, but our SIM still doesn't work. So we're gonna try to go to Walmart and try to get a new SIM to see if we can actually make some calls.
Will you be getting snow? And how cold is it actually going to get?
Alright guys, it's time to get going. It's about -23 outside.
Right now, we're not exactly certain of how intense this cold air is going to be as it resonates over the U.S.
A new SIM card because our SIM card isn't working. Alright guys, we are now going to Walmart. You're the gritty guy, right? You're the gritty guy. Hey, hey. It's a crazy Walmart. Restrooms. The guy said to like make like a new plan here, but like it's gonna be a lot of like work, so we're gonna try to just like activate like our phones in the States though, so if that makes sense. Alright, let's get into it. Alrighty then. Hey. We're meeting up. That's a 3 car with the crew. Alrighty. Alright. Bye-bye hotel. And now we're off onto the highway. 75. There's truck over there. Truck over there. They're all stopped.
Oh, banda ho.
You can't even see anything.
Oh, banda de.
Oh yeah. Yeah, our side is all over. Yeah, look at, there's like 3 trucks here. Bro, that's crazy. That's insanity. This guy's like literally in the blocking the entire highway. Wow. It is not the time to be driving right now, guys. That's insane. The entire highway is all packed. So yeah. Ooh, his whole bumpers are. That's another one. It goes on past 75. Yeah. Okay, the sun is out, and now the road looks a little bit better. It's a little bit more clear as well.
Not no more.
Oh. Still quite slippery though. but at least the sun is out. It's a little bit easier to see than the nighttime. Yeah, compared to nighttime, you can see a little bit better.
अदा जे ठीक आ नहीं सड़क ना जुड़ के है नाइस बन जाती है.
Yeah, roads are getting a little bit better. Speed's gone up. Now we're at about -21. It was -22, but it's getting better. Roads are a little bit more clear. Continue to moving on. Cincinnati sign 80. Almost there. Another car down. Oh, that's really far down, yeah. Thinking, man, on the ice. But he lost. He don't know what the word is. I said if he can get one more arm, then I'll give him category. Okay, guys, it's warming up a little bit.
Is it?
Yeah. We're at -20. Let's go. Now we're 3 degrees warmer. Roads are still the same, but at least it's getting a little bit warmer. Still moving on.
-21 फिर आ गए.
Oh, it's -21 again. Wonderful.
पर तो सोनी है.
Oh, there's a white.
हाँ देख फिर white आ गया है.
Big boy. Cheap boys going at it. Is that a Mustang? Oh no, it's like a Volkswagen that sells the stuff.
Tire puncture.
Oh, you cannot even see it. They put your flashers on. That truck was about to go. This guy probably heart's beating like crazy. Yeah. That truck, like literally, the trailer was doing like sideways.
ऐसे कोई नहीं लंघे. मिशिगन ते ओहायो दे विच ही है सेकंड.
Cincinnati.
All right, it's lunchtime. Got the croissants with the peanut butter. I'm having apple. We still going. We in Cincinnati now, and now we're trying to leave. Just finished eating lunch. Apple and peanut butter. Coated. This car is definitely sliding. I don't know where he's trying to go though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
ओए जीप वाला.
It's a little hard here.
ओ 4x4 भी आ कुछ करती है.
Bless you. Yeah, like bro, this guy's not can't even get out of that lane. Guy got slime.
Oh, so cool.
Oh, bro, that's cold. Okay, update. We are just past 144, and there's a bunch of traffic. Like a bunch. It's so much. My bro's getting. Yo, can I walk as well? That's so smart. He's gonna start walking. Wait, where's he going? Oh yeah, this guy's a legend. Wait, is he actually peeing? Oh yeah, he is. That's so funny. Can I go too? Go right beside her. My boy's finally got out. Alright, this guy just wants to get out now. Bruh. Guys, lock the doors, lock the doors. He's just walking outside now. You can take a man out of Brampton, but you can't take the Brampton out of the man. Look at this guy's walk, bro. This guy walks like a penguin. Alright, truck down, yeah. Good Samaritans out here. This guy's gonna pull him. A legend status. Okay, there's another accident here. This was on the bridge. It took a little bit longer, yeah. Our next stop is Wendy's in the next 10 kilometers. I think we're at
Take the left.
129. Now we're gonna go to Wendy's. His favorite nugget place.
Yeah, they have good nuggets.
Yeah. Alright, we made it.
They're so good at parking.
Oh, yes. Legend. All fueled up, ready to go. Oh, slippery. Alright, let's get on it. It's pretty close.
Yeah, I'll put them
in. Bruh. Everyone needs to just put your hazards on. Yeah. I'd say wait for that car to pass a little bit. So that way we don't, like, if we slide, you know.
We're still going this way.
Why are we going this way? Scary.
Hopefully they don't slide. Oh, are they sliding? No, they're moving. I didn't see the truck slide, but... Oh, there it goes.
No, he's trying to go that way. No, he's trying to go that way so he doesn't slip in.
Okay, we're finally picking up some speed now. Hey, legend. It's actually pretty cool. All the trees and mountains. Yeah, bro, what? That's mad.
आसा महला पहला आखा जीवा मिसरे मर जाऊं आखने दोस्ते देव बचाई.
Alright, update. We drove a lot. It's 7:15 and we're still going. Solid update. Okay, update guys. It's 7:35. We got about another 25 minutes to go to our next stop. And it's about -14 degrees now. So we're getting warmer, It's heating up, And yes, he's actually taking his pants off. Alright guys, quick pit stop at the mobile Waffle House. I think Dad's about to go to Dunkin' Donuts and get coffee. It is currently 10 o'clock. We're continuing on. We should be at the next hotel in 2 more hours. Alright guys, we're in Atlanta now. This is what I missed. This is the most basic thing I've ever seen. Whoa!
Oh, nice.
Bruh! I think you got it. Nah.
Ma, you were barely awake for this too.
That's pretty cool. That's a pretty big city.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's crazy, Atlanta. You Trey Young, where you at? I'm in your city. Yeah, like these things are massive.
So I said skyscrapers.
75.
Yeah, it's this one a bit.
Alright, our exit is here. We're finally here. Is that a palm tree? Bruh, this thing's gonna die. It's too cold for it. Alright, we got the essential supplies. Now we're heading in. Bro, it's way too cold. Hey, what's going on, man? Can we get a room tour? It's down there. Vibe.
Yeah, I was thinking about jumping.
Okay.
So this is my room tour. This is room 406.
That's mad. Doesn't look like it's your room, buddy.
This is the room.
Alright, this is a room. What is first door? Okay, we got some clothes.
This is the bathroom, actually really nice. It comes with this woman.
Oh, that's mad.
She kind of just came here. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
And the light's nice, and the mirror's nice.
Sure.
And it comes with 2 coat hangers, a mirror.
Alright.
So I lose most of my time.
Did you just say I lose most of that?
Yeah.
Okay. Solid.
10-inch TV.
Alrighty.
Sophisticated lamp.
Father Saab.
Father. Chair. It's a wide chair, so it's
You know, for
wide
Harmon.
chair. Rolling chair. This one rolls.
There's a fridge in there, yeah.
This is my thermostat.
Oh, okay, cool.
I don't know how to work it. Yeah, that's my tour.
Alright.
We upgrading, boys.
Hey, let's go.
The Neo.
Oh, you reading them numbers out loud. You guys hear the speech Punjabi?
No.
You didn't?
You did?
Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, my boy made it. Hey, my boy made it. Hey. Congratulations. Hey. Woo!